Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. If you hear my stomach growling during this recording, it's because I am on day one of a 72-hour fast. Should be exciting. Anyway, let's take a look at the markets and the NASDAQ. We were talking about this yesterday. It had a rough day today. We'll take a look at NVDA in just a sec because that was really the leader of the pack in terms of heading down. So as we discussed, yesterday, if this thing turns around, which, oh, it did. We are heading down here. This would be target one around 21,140. And essentially, we'll see how long it takes to get down there, if it gets all the way down there. But we're heading toward the cloud. That's the overarching theme here. But you could go for 21,142, or you could go all the way down to 20,989. Now, I like this level way better because it is super strong, as we discussed yesterday, from here and from here and from here. So very, very strong level of support. Now let's take a look at the cause of this situation. This is NVIDIA stock today. Ouch, that's some nastiness right there. All right, so let's see what we're doing. We are in the cloud. We were caught by the standard line. Thank goodness. Could have gone even lower. And our next target to the downside is, let's go for this one, this little bounce off level, 133.84-ish. At that point, we'd be looking at, are we going to break the cloud to the bottom? We'll see. And as for the high side, I'm not even going to give you that target right now because it would basically just be today's high. So good luck with that stock or with the futures that are associated. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.